Hello, this is Tim from YourSec Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable cookies on your Samsung internet using your phone. So what you want to do is just swipe on down from the top and go to settings right here. Going down under here and go to apps. So let's find apps. I think it's closer to the top here. Now when you find apps, just go to it. Here it is. And then go to Samsung app settings. Then we want to go on down to Samsung internet. Then what we want to do is go to where it says Sites and Downloads. Go to Site Permissions. Here's cookies on the top. Going down. And then we can go to the different options like block third-party cookies, block all cookies, if you want to do that. And then we can go back after we select the option. Now it says temporarily allowed cookies and site data. We can check this out too. I don't see anything under there. But that's all you have to do is go to the cookie section, enable it or disable it depending on your desire. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.